You know, Jeffrey, you've been reading through this very lengthy Justice Department filing. What's their argument for dropping the case, and do you believe it's legitimate?
The argument is that even if he did lie, even if DeFlynn did lie, this was not a legitimate investigation at that point in January of 2017. It is one of the most incredible legal documents I have read, and certainly something that I never expected to see from the United States Department of Justice. The idea that the Justice Department would invent an argument that the judge in this case has already rejected, and say that's a basis for dropping a case where the defendant admitted his guilt, shows that this is a case where the fix was in. Donald Trump has been saying for months, if not years, he feels sorry for Michael Flynn. He wanted to help Michael Flynn. That's what this case is about, not the equal protection of the laws.
Very interesting. And Jim, none of this changes the fact that President Trump actually fired Michael Flynn, and Michael Flynn pleaded guilty.
Indeed. And listen, remember, there's another national security aspect to the lies. And this is something that Sally Yates, at the time the acting attorney general, spoke to in that period when Flynn was fired, which is he lied and the Russians knew that he lied because they knew the substance of those conversations during the transition. And when the adversary knows that you lied and the American public to that point does not, that is a pressure point. That is something that you could use to influence the most senior national security official in the country at the time, the national security advisor to the president. So many layers as to why the lies mattered. And here you have that whitewashed in effect. I mean, it has enormous national security implications.